This secret website I'm about to show you is a hidden source for many Android TV applications that you are currently looking for. Watch this video right up to the end because I'm about to show you everything. Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and this is my channel where I talk about Android TVs and how to install applications that can improve your experience on your Android TV. So if you're looking for any type of application, streaming movie, play stores, and so on, then on my channel I certainly have a video that answers that question. And if you have an Android TV and you want to improve your experience on your Android TV, my channel should be a source for you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more videos like this.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description on this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
So in this video, I want to talk about a website that is a secret source for many applications that we want on Android TVs, and these applications are all free to install. So make sure to stick right up to the end because I'm going to show you everything on how to get to the website, what application to use to browse the website, and how to download or install applications from this website. So please make sure you are subscribed. That's it, let's go ahead. Now, this is my Android TV box I'm using to describe this or show this. If you have an Android TV or an Android TV box, you can do the same, but any device that you have, please just make sure to follow the process because it is the same. Now, as I said, this is a website and you can go to a website using any browser, but my recommended browser to use is the downloader application. Now, I'm not saying that the downloader application is the only browser you can use in this case. It is just a recommended browser because it's easier to use the browser to install applications than to use any other browser. So if you have any other browser, you can use it. But for this video, I'm going to be using the downloader. Now, if you have the downloader browser, please skip this video to the part where after using the website, without the downloader browser, then just take a second here to see how you can install downloader to your Android TV. Now, as you can see on my Android TV, I already have downloader here. But if I want to install it again, I can go over to Google, and then on my Google, I'm just going to go ahead and I search for it. I go over here and I type downloader browser or downloader app, and I search for it. To save time, here's a suggestion here. I just go over here and I click on it once. Now, if you have an Android TV that supports Playstore or it has the Google Play application, you can just go back to your Google Play Store and search for it. You're going to have it as you've seen me. But if you don't have Google Play application, just go over to your browser, log into Google, and search for downloader as I've done right here. Then you're going to see the option. I click on it, and all you have to do is just click the install button that is going to show you here, and then install it to your Android TV. Once you're done, just go ahead and launch it. Downloader is the best option to use on your Android TV to browse because it is easier to use, it's easier to navigate, and it supports Android TVs. So once you go over to your downloader, here's how mine looks like. What we are going to do is type in the website that I'm referring to, and the website in this case is reviewvpn.com. That is the name of the website. So once you go over to it, you just go ahead and you can launch. So once you launch your downloader, this is what is going to happen. You're just going to load to the website as you can see on my Android TV right now. And here's the website. It's very simple and also it looks good. Now, there are many VPNs that you can choose to use on this website. The reason we Android TV video creators talk about VPNs a lot is because browsing on your Android TV without a VPN can be insecure because your Android TV stands a chance to face lots of insecurities on the internet while also facing lots of limitations. So that's why we talk about you using a VPN on your Android TV because it keeps you secure on the internet. It also helps you unlock certain limitations that you can find on the internet. So this website preliminarily show you lots of VPNs that you can choose on the internet with their different offers. So you can choose anyone that you want here, or simply in the description of this video there is an option for a VPN that you can choose, and go ahead and subscribe or make sure to create an account and start using. Because using a VPN is very important. I cannot stress enough about the importance of using a VPN. But anyway, this video is not about VPNs, this video is about apps. So once you go over here, there are categories for apps. So you just go over here, there's an option that says categories, and you come over here, you can see these are various different categories. There's VPN, Firesticks app, movie apps, live TV apps. All of them are all here, so you can choose your option. So for instance, if I come over to an option that says apps, I just click on it once and use my mouse because Using navigator can be so stressful at times. So I cover the option best apps or categories, and I cover to movies, as you can see, or I can cover to apps, and I click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to load and it's going to show you all the applications that are here that you can install. So these are various categories. So once you come over to this website yourself on your Android TV, please you can take out your time to see the different applications here. I cannot go ahead and show you all the applications that are here, but if you take out your time and browse through, you're going to see most of the applications that are here. And I can go over to best apps. This is what the creator of this website shows as the best applications that you can install from this website. You can go over here and you can click the one you want and click maybe say app downloads, and it's going to go over to the applications that we can download on Android TV, or you can go over to movie applications, anyone that you want. Please, as you go over here, take out your time and browse through. I'm trying to make sure this video is not long enough, that's why I'm going as quick as possible. So if I go over the option that says movies and TVs, it's going to show me the applications that are under movies and TVs, and there are lots of them here. So here are all movie applications that you can install here. This, as I said, once you go over to this application, you can take out your time and install. I have to blur some of these applications because of YouTube policies. So that's it for best apps. So if I want to go over to just app download, or if I want to go over to other categories like app download, so there's an option here that says Android, and I'm pretty sure these are applications about Android TV. So we'll go over here, click on Android, and then the applications are going to load. So there are a couple of them. There is to install, you can read the article. Maybe once you install the application, you can read the article and then go ahead and install the application. So some of these applications I have to really blur them. I have to blur the video. I don't want to go against YouTube policy so that my video is taken down. So for instance, if I want to install an application, it's quite simple. Just go over to the option and click on it, and then it's going to load to a website or where the option where you can install that particular application. You can scroll through and read how to install the application to your Android TV. So that's how this website works. You can go over here and you see the process of installing the application here, or you can just follow it and install the particular application to your Android TV. So for instance, if I want to download this particular application, I just go over here and I click on it once. It's going to start downloading the app version or the APK of this application to your Android TV. So you can just wait for it to quickly download on Android TV and you can go ahead and install. So that's it about this video. You go over to the website, search the application that you want, browse through to see the application that you want, and then click on download. Once the application is downloaded, you can go ahead and install it to Android TV without any issues. So if you found the video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if there's something you want to ask me, please drop it in the comment section. And or if there's a topic you want me to create a video about, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to read and make sure to create a video about it. So as you click download, you can come over here and install, and then the application is going to be installed straight away to your Android TV. So like and subscribe for more videos like this.